All right, today we're gonna be showing you guys the RCF VMAX 35 out of their VMAX install passive systems. So really nice looking speaker, very clean, very thick grill, which is nice. It has 12 M10 points that you can put for flying, get around to the back. Has a very nice, easy to use switch for the speak on to switch between biamp or full range. Very large components inside of this that we'll go over in a minute. But it's also cut to be a monitor, which was nice. It was something we weren't really expecting. Really cool texture that's on it. And it does have the cut to be used as a monitor. So from the other side, you can see that it is very small footprint, the way that they've cut it. But the handles are in place, or I say handles, it's one handle that's on this side. Makes it a little bit easier to get it up in the air. We're gonna be installing 5 of these in a basketball arena, so we're gonna let you guys listen to that after we get them all installed. But this goes down to 40 hertz, which is pretty crazy. It goes up to 20,000, max SPL of 132 dB, which is pretty crazy. Sensitivity is 1 watt, 1 meter, and 97 dB, so pretty efficient. And it's a 90 degree by 40 degree, which should help us out with where we're trying to aim to get. It's a 3-inch voice coil for the compression driver and a 4-inch voice coil on the 15, which that's what's gonna make the magic happen to get the volume that we need. 8 ohms, so we're gonna be pushing it with some pretty large amps to make sure that we get what we need. And you can biamp them, but we're gonna be listening to them today just in passive, just to let you hear how incredible they've got the crossover network inside and all of the magic that happens inside of it that keeps everything aligned. I was really surprised. So it does have the protection. It's a bulb lamp dynamic, so to try to keep from having our high frequencies from being blown, there is a little bit of protection that's inside of it, which is nice. There is a pole mount that's on the bottom, and a little bit hefty. There's 68 pounds for a passive box, but it's built incredibly well. So we'll take a listen to it and see what you think. So we're gonna be listening to the speaker here. We'll be listening at about 10 feet away at first. We have a 1,000-watt amplifier, so we're not listening with a lot of power, but it'll be about medium volume that we'll be listening to, and it's our copyright-free, the Wildwood Ruminator song that we use, that we've been getting such great feedback about. But if you wanna hear any other type of music, you can buy these from us, and we can let you listen to whatever you want to. But here we go.
Today I started loving you again, and I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heart ache. Then today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I could get by with only these few million tears I've cried. And I should have known the worst was yet to come.
So really surprised. The highs are crystal clear way up there. I mean, you can hear the stuff between 10 to 14K. It's very nice. They're very direct though. So you can tell whenever I got off to the sides, you can definitely hear the angle of the horn is doing what it's supposed to. So you can check our little Evox friend here, keeping it company. About to do a video on the mix part of it soon. But I'm pretty happy with these. I can't wait to hear what they sound like when we get them installed and a proper size amplifier on them. So we'll make a video for that and let you hear it as well. But please subscribe and like us.